What's goody grind family? Reggie P here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $23.65 just by doing simple things online. Now, if that sounds good to you, hold tight.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P. And I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $23.65 just by doing simple things online. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And sometimes I give away free money. So please smash that like button and drop a comment down below and let me know if you have any questions about what I'm talking about today. And please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded. Now, please watch this video to the very end because I have a special bonus I want to offer you guys. So without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you how you can earn $23.65 just by doing simple things online. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website called YCents. And it says here, earn extra cash online. YCents is a global online community with multiple earnings options. Join now and start earning with paid online surveys, cash offers, figure 8 tasks, and more. So this has multiple things you can do on this website. All right, paid surveys, earn cash for taking free paid surveys while influencing the next generation of products, services, and much more. Cash offers, get paid for trying new products and services, downloading apps, signing up for websites, watching videos, and more. And figure 8 tasks, this is something different, well, different name. Earn by completing simple tasks from the comfort of your home, earn bonuses, and participate in our weekly contests. So this survey site has a contest you can join every week. And this referral system is pretty good. So you're going to want to participate in the referral system. And it says here, share YCents with your friends and watch your earnings grow. You will earn up to 30% of what your referrals make. So that's pretty high, 30%. Other survey sites that I've checked out, they do 10%, 5%, 15%, but this one do 30%. So that's a real good, that's a high percentage. So you probably want to participate in referring friends to this site. Okay, let's look at it. One other thing here. Let's go to the frequently asked questions. Okay, I'm at the frequently asked questions, and here's one question: how much money can I make? It is difficult to determine how much money you can make with YCents. There are too many variables in determining this. For example, how often you log in, how many referrals you have, how many offers, tasks, or surveys you and your referrals complete, and more. So they really can't determine how much you make. So really it's a undetermined amount. So you can make a lot or you can make not that much. It depends on your work ethic and depends on your referrals work ethic. All right, let's go to one other place here. Let's go to cash out. Okay, once you accumulate enough money, you can cash out through Amazon, 1-800-Flowers, tickets, airline movie tickets, airline tickets, clothing stores, Best Buy, eBay, Gap, Google Play, iTunes, other clothing stores, and PayPal. So, once you accumulate enough points, you can cash out through PayPal or any one of these department stores or movie tickets, airline tickets, gift cards. So it's a lot of ways. So if you're interested in participating in this site and making money from it, go ahead and go to ysense.com. Now you know the website you can start using right now that will allow you to earn $23.65 just by doing simple things online. So sign up with that website, start doing those simple tasks, and start getting this money. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. As promised, let me tell you about the special bonus. Now, if you scroll down to the description below, you're going to see a link that says free giveaways. Now, click on that link and it's going to take you to a website where you can get 3 free gifts. But the only way you can get these 3 free gifts is you have to be subscribed to this channel. So if you're new, hit that subscribe button, click on the link where it says free giveaways in the description below. It's going to take you to that website. Then you'll be able to download those 3 free gifts. I also got some other cool stuff in the description below. If you need help getting views and subscribers to your YouTube channel, there's a link for that. And also check out the link where it says my #1 recommended site that will make you money on autopilot. So check out that also in the description below. All right, that's all I have for this video. Please, before you leave, hit that like button. And let's get 30 likes, guys. Because the more likes I get, the more this video will be shown on YouTube by more potential viewers. Because I want to try to help everybody I can out there make money online. So I want this video be shown all over YouTube. So help me by hitting that like button. And also drop a comment down below and tell me what you think about this video. And even if you have any questions about what I talked about today, drop that in the comments below. And please share this on all social media platforms. I want to help everybody I can out there because I know people are getting tired of working this 9-to-5 job. You want to become your own boss? Here's your chance right now. So please share this on all social media platforms. Share this with your friends, family, and everybody. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded, because I make videos like this almost every day. All right, that's it. I'm out of here. I'm finished with this video. To all my subscribers out there, thank you for supporting me. Keep watching. Keep watching me, because I'm going to keep dropping some good videos and some good online money-making content for you guys. All right. Before I leave, I just want to say, get your grind on, because the grind is real. See you in the next video. Peace.